Hey everybody, Jordan, Hayes' Humble Homestead. There's Graham back there. Today, we're gonna clean the stock tank. Exciting stuff, I know, but it's something that needs to be done every once in a while. Especially in the summer, these tanks grow a lot of algae, and cows can be picky. I haven't really had them be too picky, but dairy cows are kind of divas. And so we wanna keep it clean. And just for sanitary reasons, bacteria and all that, we don't need that building up, and I don't want to drink gross water, so why would I make my cow drink gross water? So let's get that cleaned up. I'll leave a link to this below. Got it on Amazon. Came with like a whole array of brushes and stuff, but this is about the only one I use. There's our stock tank, and as you can see down in there, it is kind of gross. So we're gonna get this dumped out and use our power brush and get it cleaned up here.
All right, let's get this thing dumped here. Alright, let's get this rinsed out and just cow some water. Okay, let me go back down there.
Alright, not perfect, but we got it all mostly cleaned up. The cows are thirsty. Everybody's getting in here, getting a drink out there. They're kind of divas. They like their clean water. Don't you, Maple? That's Maple. It's last year's calf. There's Tito. Shaquila. Psychotic Tangerines back there. And there's a little sirloin. Panting with their tongue hanging out a little bit. And so Susan says because they eating the toxic fescue when it's hot and dry like this. Thanks for joining us on this hot day cleaning out stock tanks, but make sure you guys keep yours clean. If you wouldn't drink that water, why would you make your cows drink it? Catch you guys next time.